A certain touch. The new Mini Operating System 9 offers intuitive new touch control on the Mini Interaction Unit. Swipe through the widgets to quick select features like telephone, navigation, media, the Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant, weather, car, and live vehicle. Tap a widget to enter its menu and direct access to the most important features. Never get lost. The menu at the bottom leads directly to all apps. The climate menu, media, navigation, telephone, or back to home. Press on the temperature to set it with plus and minus for the automatic intelligent climate control and adjust seat or steering wheel heating. With your Mini ID logged in, swiping up from the bottom opens your personal tool belt for menu shortcuts and favorite functions. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your Mini.